What's up guys, you're watching the Seed Show, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is WS-116489-9. An error has occurred while connecting to the PSN from PlayStation 5 console. So here's a network error, and I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Let's go to the screen, and there is the settings, and then user and account. Simply you just check the PSN account is logged in or not, and your login settings, your PlayStation 5 is logged in or not. Then go to the network services. Sometimes the server is down, that's why you get this error under maintenance. If the server is working up and good, then you have a local internet problem. If the server is not working, then you just wait. Sony will fix this up automatically. Do nothing. Here's the service working up. Test your own internet connection. Maybe you have your own problem. You just contact with the internet provider, or forget this one and connect with the old one. You can change the DNS settings, and to your settings 1500 is okay. DNS settings manually, which one is working good in your country, you just put it back here and set up a new connection. And I'm just going to suggest you use a wired LAN 1 directly connecting from the router to PlayStation 4 with the wired cable, and it will get the better speed. So that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.